Gwangju is leading the way as an eco-friendly future automobile-centered city with a bright future. Gwangju, which has 2 automobile factories, is taking advantage of greater opportunities to create an eco-friendly future automobile-centered city. Gwangju has created the Bitgreen National Industrial Complex as a hub for the eco-friendly future automobile industry and established an eco-friendly automobile parts cluster, parts certification center, and Bitgreen Industry Academia Convergence District. In addition, Gwangju is taking a leap forward in the development of the convergence-friendly future automobile industry in connection with the Smart Energy Industrial District and AI Convergence Complex. Gwangju is accelerating the creation of a BPV industrial ecosystem for purpose-based vehicles. Gwangju has established a BPV Company Council and a BPV Joint Workshop to actively support companies in producing a wide variety of high-quality purpose-based vehicles, such as special vehicles, leisure vehicles, and medical vehicles. The eco-friendly automobile parts cluster, located in the Bitgreen National Industrial Complex, an automobile-exclusive industrial complex, possesses the largest number of eco-friendly future automobile performance test and measurement equipment in Korea, including 3D printers and the largest EMC chamber in Asia. It provides one-stop support services from design and development of corporate automobile parts to prototype manufacturing and certification. The Eco-Friendly Auto Parts Certification Center of the Korea Automobile Safety Research Institute, a nationally recognized certification body, has built equipment to test and certify the crash safety, impact safety, and battery safety of eco-friendly electric vehicles. It is the only one in Korea to provide one-stop corporate support services to test and certify all battery safety certification items in Gwangju. Gwangju is promoting an all-around corporate support project by forming and operating the Future Vehicle Transition Enterprise One-Stop Support Center, an industry academia research body centered on professional research institutes such as Gwangju Green Car Promotion Agency, Korea Automobile Research Institute, and University. Gwangju is also accelerating the training of experts. Eco-friendly future car. Beyond Korea, into the world, beyond novelty with greater possibilities. A city of opportunity with a bright future. Towards Gwangju, the race for hope continues.